TaiRox Copy Company copies the structure of an existing Sage 300 company to a new activated company database without copying any transactional data. The result is far superior and takes much less time than using export and import to set up a new company database. This demonstration illustrates the simplest use of Copy Company, copying data to a brand new company. And it shows a more complex use, copying GL integration settings from a source company to a live target company. Other complex procedures are also possible, and some are described in the Copy Company user guide that's available on the TaiRox website. Let's launch Copy Company and see how it works. To start, I'll select a From company, Sample Company Inc., and a Target company, Copy Inc., and then click the Next button. The drop-down company lists are populated by the various databases installed in the Sage 300 site. The program next lists the applications that you can copy. These are the applications that have been activated in both the source and the target companies. We'll select Common Services and General Ledger for copying, and click the Finish button. What's going on now involves more than just exporting and importing data. For example, if you have GL auto-allocation accounts and account 100 has an allocation to account 200, then account 200 must exist before you can set up the allocation in account 100. This order dependency can be a painstaking thing to work through using import and export. You can see now that the procedure is complete, with all data successfully copied. For the second demonstration, we'll again copy from Sample Company Inc., but this time we're going to copy into a live company that already has transaction data. We're only going to copy the GL integration settings for bank services and for accounts receivable. The other applications would have similar settings. And we'll click the Finish button, and you'll notice now that a warning message pops up letting me know that prerequisites must have been done. In this case, since I'm maintaining a common GL across many companies, I already know that the required modules, GL accounts, and banks have been set up appropriately. So I'm just going to click Yes, and you'll notice that the next warning appears noting that there's transactions in the target company. This warning would prevent you from unintentionally copying over live data. Again, in this case, I'm following a recipe from our user guide, so I know that copying GL integration settings to a live company is a safe operation. I'll click Yes, and the operation is performed. That completes a quick look at TaiRox Copy Company. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about Copy Company and other TaiRox products.